Hi, in my last videos I have shown you how to make these two lines in step 1, step 2 and step 3. These two are solved perfectly. Today in this class this part is remained. We have to arrange this in a correct order. For this one we are having three possibilities. To solve this part, first we have to arrange in a plus form. Yellow should be like this. This one like this and this one in a plus form. To do that we are having three possibilities. This is first one, this is second one and this is third one. So here we consider the first one. Don't bother about this one. We should see only if in this position or in this one or in this one. We are having in the first one. We are not having this shape and this shape. If we have only in this form, so we have to make one front rotation, one step and one right algorithm, and bring the one step rotation front side to back itself. Then we got this plus form. Don't bother about this. We see only this plus form. This is second possibility. This is in this form. L shape towards left side. Don't bother about these two. We are having L shape like this. If we get this shape like this possibility, then as it is going to left hand side, just rotate left side and make one left algorithm and bring these two lines back side like this. We get this plus form. This plus form. This is another possibility. If we get this L form right side towards right side, then bring these two lines, rotate these two lines one step to right side. We get here L form. Now make right algorithm and bring these two back side like this. Then we get a plus form. We get this plus form. After making this plus form, we have to arrange these edges in their positions. For that one, we have to see which two colors matches. Here, red edge and red edge can come here. Here, the edge should be red, blue and yellow. Here, the edge should be red, green and yellow. But these two are, we should swap these two here. This should be here and this should be here. Then only it matches. So for that one, we have to move this to right side. Whatever should be swapped, those should be kept on the right hand side. This is my right hand side. Yellow should be on the top. These two should be swap. So for that one, make right algorithm 3 times. 1, second right algorithm and third right algorithm. After doing 3 right algorithms, make one step left rotation like this and make 3 left algorithms. 1, 2, 3. So we get red, blue, yellow here. We can rotate this cube later, but this is in this position only, right position only. Later on we can rotate that one. This is also in the right position, red, green and yellow in this position, we can rotate laterwards. And here this is also in correct position, green, orange and yellow. This is also in correct position, and here also orange, blue and yellow. It is in its position, and blue, red and yellow in the correct positions. Now we have to rotate these edges so that yellow should be on the top. For that one, keep the cube like this, white should be on the top. Now yellow should come to the bottom. So for that one, make the right algorithms number of times till yellow comes to the bottom. So don't bother about these changes. So yellow should be on the bottom. Now rotate the bottom so that next edge should be rotated. So now make right algorithm till the yellow comes here like this. Don't bother about these changes. Later on it will be correct. Now rotate the bottom. This edge should rotate so that yellow should come to the bottom. Now make right algorithms till the yellow comes bottom here. We bought all the yellow on the one side. Now arrange, rotate cube so that blue, red, all are in its positions. In the next video, we make step how to arrange these in correct positions.